Hello, I'm Adam Gudger with Thor Motor Coach, here to talk about the 2014 Tuscany, the fastest growing motorhome in its category. The first aspect that I like to talk about is our brand new bus style front cap. As you can see, we've integrated the Tuscany into the front chrome grille that's backlit with LED. We've also added LED accent lighting, and we have a glued in automotive style front windshield. But in order to build a strong motorhome, it starts with the foundation. The 2014 Tuscany motorhome is built on the Freightliner XCR chassis, but I'm here to tell you, not all Freightliners are made equally, because we have the following advantages that I'd like to discuss. Starting with a 450 horsepower engine on every Tuscany model. We've also added the ZF independent front suspension, not only improving ride quality, but also improving wheel cut to 60 degrees. We've added larger tires, Michelin brand 295 ADRs, and we've also added up to a 150-gallon fuel tank on board. Additionally, we've added a 15,000-pound hitch receiver available on all Tuscany tag axle models. The 2014 Tuscany is a real showstopper for this year with 4 exciting brand new exterior paint colors. We've also added frameless dual pane windows, an armless electric patio awning. We have pass-through storage with now actuated baggage door locks, a standard exterior television, side docking lights, as well as we've also integrated docking lights into the rear cap. The 2014 Tuscany looks as good going away as it does coming towards you with the newly redesigned rear cap with LED taillights, the laser cut Tuscany accent piece, the integrated 7-way hitch connection, and the integrated rear camera. Now let's go take a look at the inside of the motorhome. Entry has been made easy on the Tuscany with the keyless entry system, not only working with the front door, but also the baggage doors as well. And with the wider entry, unloading and loading the motorhome is easier than ever. Here we are in the Tuscany cockpit, where we position both comfort and convenience for the drive ahead. Starting, we have an adjustable foot pedal setup underneath to get the driver so he's positioned as comfortably as possible. Secondly, we've added a VIP smart wheel with both cruise and windshield wiper at the fingertips reach. We have bright visible gauges, and then finally we have a standard touchscreen GPS system. Now let's go take a look at the rest of the motorhome. Here we are in the living room of the Tuscany motorhome, and there's a few features I'd like to point out, starting with the LED ceiling lights. Consuming about 1/5 the amount of energy of other lighting alternatives, it provides an excellent benefit making the most use of a coach's electrical power. We've also enhanced our air conditioning system with the Whisper Quiet Airs. You'll notice, starting with the air returns being out wide, it does an excellent job of really recirculating that air and dropping all that cool air down the center. So not only can you cool the coach with the slides out, but much better with the slides in the in position. Then moving along to the seating areas, you'll find standard in every Tuscany a sectional L sofa. It takes advantage of the additional slide space that has been created. Additionally, in the Tuscany, we've gone to larger flat panel TVs, which are always in view, strategically placed in the unit so that you can sit down on the sofa and look straight at the television. There's no longer that looking to the left or looking to the right in the cockpit or in the middle of the coach, because it's straight in front of you. We've paired this flat panel TV with a Blu-ray home theater system as well as an HD switch box, so there'll be high definition whether you want to be watching satellite, over the air, or through your DVDs. We've also added a fireplace underneath, standard in all Tuscanys. Here in the galley of the Tuscany, we're providing all the residential features of home, starting with a fully electric residential refrigerator with ice and water on the door, as well as a pull-out bottom freezer. We have a convection microwave, all electric induction cooktop, and then also we have a stainless dishwasher drawer as well. We've also gone to a new LG Himax countertop, brand new edge, brand new color design for this year, but all solid surface throughout the model. You'll also notice all the backsplash in the galley area is fully tile, and it matches really nice with our polished tile flooring, which we've gone with a new decorative tile inlay for this model year. Standard on every Tuscany, we have a stackable washer dryer. And to divide your rooms, we have these stylish hardwood pocket doors. In the bedroom of every Tuscany motorhome, you'll find an optional dual speed 12 volt ceiling fan, as well as a walk around king size bed with a premium Denver mattress. Featured in every Tuscany floor plan is a full-size rear bathroom with a large shower with integrated fiberglass seat, as well as a very large wardrobe area with lots of hanging space and an integrated cedar-lined shoe compartment. Thank you so much for visiting us today. For more information on Thor Motor Coach and the Tuscany brand, please come see us at thormotorcoach.com. Thank you.